Well, hello, and welcome to what is a gorgeous Saturday. Is it evening or afternoon? It's 5 o'clock. Anyway, a beautiful day, we'll go with that. Engineering works. No Piccadilly Line services between Acton and Uxbridge, and no Piccadilly Line services between Cockfosters and Wood Green, which means I've got to go get a bus. And for those of you that have ever seen The In-Betweeners, you know what that will make me today. So, sit back, get yourself a cup of tea, and let's travel down to Wood Green. Probably take about 45 minutes, and I'll pick up in about an hour and a half. I'm told Arsenal are playing today at home. Kick-off was about now. So hopefully I'll miss most of it. Just got to wait for a bus. It's a dedicated rail replacement bus.
And Wood Green.
Upstairs or downstairs in the ladies' chamber?
How far is it?
It's upstairs, a bit of a ride.
Better view.
Yeah.
This is PL5 service towards Wood Green. The next stop is Oakwood.
Yeah, where do you
Bus is towards Wood Green.
on the Piccadilly Line?
Yeah, Wood Green.
Oh, do you? Yeah.
So, yeah, so we'll go to
Yeah.
I'll show you this one.
Someone took my seat. How dare they?
Yeah, a Tina Taylor.
Yeah.
Animate, the
Animate.
yeah.
Animateless.
Different, just noticing, not fixing, judging, just becoming aware.
So we're just not far from Oakwood, heading down to Southgate. It looks like it's been an accident. There's several buses blocking the road ahead of us.
I'm not saying.
So just got to wait and see what's going on. Okay, so puts me in a bit of an awkward predicament. Road's closed. Someone did have a minor accident and then has dumped their car in the middle of the road and ran off. Police have just turned up. So obviously I can't risk waiting on the bus. So I'm walking back up to Oakwood, and the company are sorting out a taxi for me to get me straight to Wood Green. Otherwise we're going to have a shutdown at Wood Green because I'm not there to pick up a train. So I'll keep you updated. Good job I left the moment I started work, give or take a couple of minutes. Thing is, I could wait for the bus to clear, the road to clear. Could be 5 minutes, could be an hour. Dear, it's a bit further than I thought it was. So I've had the message on my phone to say the taxi's booked. So I clicked on the link to track it, and it's still not allocated me a driver yet. I hate all this. I pick up in about an hour and 10 minutes, which in theory is plenty of time, but you'll know I hate rushing and leaving things for the last minute. So if I'm not in a taxi within the next half an hour, they need to make plans for me not to be there on time. Honest, I only thought it was a couple of minutes away. Still says he haven't found me a driver. Well, almost there. It's just going to be another one of them days where I get messed around. Ah, dear. Right, taxi's almost here. It's just... actually trying to come up the road. That was just... couldn't get down, so we'll wait and see. So there is where the issue is. Obviously the cars can go around the side streets, but the bus can't. So taxi should be just behind them buses. So it gives me an hour to get down there, which it should be easily enough. Wondering if that's it there. No. Oh, in fact, I better let them know I'm in the taxi. Feel free to drop me wherever's convenient for you. That is perfect. Thank you very much, my friend. Make sure I've got everything. Yeah. Have yourself a good day. Right, so I made it. I seem to spend half my time in life checking my watch. So just before anyone asks, I didn't pay for the taxi, London Underground did. So we're here on time, so let's get in. We're here. Right, here's my train. So let's kick everyone off.
This train terminates here. All change. Please ensure that you take all your personal belongings with you.
Let the driver know we're on. So the driver will drive this into the tunnel, into the sidings, and then we'll drive it out. Right. So we're going to head up to Rayners Lane. So when we get in the sidings, I'll turn you off and then I'll take control of the train. Whilst I find my keys. There we go. So we're just going into the sidings. Obviously we're going backwards. This is the eastbound. I'm just filming this little bit on my phone. I'm not in charge of the train, so it's not an issue. But before I take charge of the train, I'll switch you off. On the left there, you can see the westbound. So just going to make sure the driver goes in far enough because she wasn't 100% sure of the stopping mark. Yep, right. I'll see you at the other end. We made it to Rayners Lane. So this has been recorded 25th of April, and since about the 12th of January I've actually only been in Rayners Lane sidings once, because on the current timetable we don't come in here. Well, when I say we, I mean as in Cockfosters duties rarely do this. So it makes a nice change. So busy in town as you'd expect. It's nice weather, and obviously we're not running as many trains because we haven't got many, because all the trains that are in Cockfosters depot we can't get to. So whilst we're waiting, I do have a couple of shout outs. One is to Sean from South Dublin, hello to you, and the other one, I'm going to upset someone from Sweden, I'm no doubt. Make sure I get this right, I hope. Bengt, hope that's correct, from Sweden. Hello to both of you, and sorry if I've ruined the Swedish language there. I think that's all I've got this week for shout outs, but if I have missed yours, I do apologise. So yeah, hello. Right, so we made it to Acton Town. Very busy coming down from Rayners. Obviously we haven't got as many trains running, but also I'm guessing there was some football match at Wembley, because Sudbury Town and Alperton were really busy with people in football outfits. I didn't recognise who they were, but... And the only other thing that was a pain, everyone was having barbecues. And not one person stood at the end of their garden to offer me a burger. Just mean. Anyway, pick up in about an hour and just under an hour and 10 minutes, so I'm going to go chill out. I like to be a rebel. So, time to go pick a train up. We are going Acton Town, Terminal 4, Wood Green, into the sidings, onto the westbound, and then that's me done. We'll stop at Turnham Green on the east. Yeah, sounds about right. So it says 5 minutes on the board for ours. Well, we've got about 6 minutes here at T4, and then up to Wood Green, into the sidings, and then onto the westbound, and then job done. Here the driver is driving on to the platform, the westbound. So sorry there's a bit of glare from those lights, but it should still give you a better view than you've ever seen in here. And then in a minute you'll see the eastbound line. So yeah, we just come onto the west even. There we go, and we're just on the platform, so I better get off before they go. So that's us done. Now we've got to go get a bus. And I'm actually about a minute early getting off the train. Let's get out before all these passengers. Looks like there's a bus there. No, it's going. Missed it. It's going to be busy. There's a fight on the bus. Well, so as I said, when I was trying to get on, there was a fight on the bus. The driver just sat there. Someone was screaming for him to open the back doors, but he just sat there. Anyway, that got dealt with. One of the guys got kicked, got off. Thought that was the end of it. We leave Bounds Green, going up to New Southgate, and it kicks off again. And again, driver just doesn't care, he just carries on. There's a woman, young lady I should say. She was upset the first time. This time, she's coming up to me, screaming at me to open the doors to let her out. There's nothing I can do about it. It's why normally I don't wear a work jacket. You know, I felt bad for her, but I can't control the doors. So yeah, it's just been one of those days. And if I'm honest, I'm glad it's over. So yeah, so thanks for coming with me. I'm going home. I've had enough for today. I suppose I'll have to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. So as always, thank you very much for joining me, and until next time, take care and good night.